EA500H7 rental LED screen is a multifunctional and high-performance display device specially designed for the rental market. EA500H7 supports inner and outer arc bending installation, providing a wealth of installation options, which can easily adapt to different stage design requirements. It also supports outer and inner arc surface installation, and can even be spliced into a cylindrical shape, providing more creativity and visual effects for the stage and display. Each corner is equipped with 4 corner guards to prevent the LED module from being damaged during transportation, installation, operation and removal. In addition, the EA500H7 is equipped with a power box with a hard-connected design, which adopts a snap-on quick disassembly and installation method, greatly improving maintenance efficiency. Through simple snap-on operation, users can quickly complete the replacement and maintenance of the power box, reducing downtime and ensuring the continuous operation of the screen during high-intensity use. The LED screen uses a dedicated LED module with a sliding control arc function, which can accurately adjust the curve and achieve precise control of arc installation, so that the display effect at each angle can reach the best state. In general, EA500H7 rental LED screen has become a popular product in the rental market with its convenient quick lock design, rich arc installation functions, easy-to-maintain power box and comprehensive safety protection measures. Whether in various outdoor or indoor activities, this screen can provide users with excellent visual effects and reliable use experience.